So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create logo for Instagram page for free, and it will just take you 5 minutes and it's completely free. So guys, let's get started. So my name is Yavar. I create a lot of Instagram tutorial tips, how to get more followers, how to make more money on Instagram, how to get more leads. Everything's there, so please consider subscribing. So now I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for your Instagram page, or even if you're an influencer, how you can create a logo. So guys, let's get started. So guys, it's very simple. Guys, I use canva.com. So this is canva.com. It's completely free. Okay, all you have to do is just click logo. Okay, once you click logo, you can see a lot of logos over here. You can just say I want this logo. Click over here, you can see a lot of logo. All you have to do is just click here. I like this one, and then just come over here, and then you can just, let's say Yavar. Okay, and that's it guys, that's it. And you can just download JPEG and just download it. You can upload pictures as well, and you can do it. So guys, it's very simple. So you can just upload your picture. So let's say for me, this is my picture. So I'll scroll down. This is my picture. I can just use this as well. Anything you can do, you can use this picture, anything, and just download it. And that's it guys. Even if you have a theme page, make sure you just use this. Go on Canva and create it, and you can just go, let's say just delete this, download JPEG, and it's just, you can download it. Once it's downloaded, you can just open it. So guys, this is how it looks, and it looks really awesome. So this is how you can start creating your free logo for your Instagram page. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. If you would like to learn more about how you can monetize, how you can gain more followers on Instagram, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.